Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use prompts in Suno AI. So this is a beginner's guide. So here we have our Suno homepage. First, we'll go to the home section. Once there, look for the area that says describe the song you want to make. There's also a section here that's very useful if you want to record your own audio as a reference, or you can even upload files. A cool feature for prompts is this dice icon. If you click it, it generates random prompts ideas for you. However, I recommend always writing your prompts in English, as the algorithm processes them there. Let's paste one here as an example. As you can see, we are being specific about the type of song we want to Suno AI to generate. When we hit create, more details about the song generation process will appear. No, we just have to wait for it to finish. Once done, you'll see the different version available. Suno usually gives you two options. You just need to listen to them and see which one you like best. Now, in the generation section, where we just redirect, we can even more specific. For example, if we want a urban, pop, or reggaeton song, we go to the description area. Here, you enter all the details for your song. We'll type style, and as I mentioned, it's best to keep this in English. After that, click on lyrics and add custom lyrics or just a few keywords for the AI to use as a reference. In this case, we've organized them into verses and chorus. You'll also find more options here, like choosing the vocal gender, lyric mode, and more. From here, you can also click generate lyrics or use AI to customize the style of the match your current settings. Finally, click on create. We'll wait for the generation to finish, and again, we'll get the two new options. Keep in mind that if you want the full-length version of the song, you'll need to upgrade your Suno AI membership. And that's it for this video.